Hey, it's Robert, Rat Nation. Thanks for being here with us. Found some cool stuff again. I'm back. Check this truck out. A friend of mine's here, and he's got a really cool truck I want to show you. I want to bring him in. Gary, come in and talk to me about your truck. What's your name?
Gary Zachary, Grapeland, Texas.
Grapeland, Texas. Not far from here. Gary, what year? I know it's marked as a 68 Dodge. Tell me a little bit about your truck.
D100 rat rod. It's got a 318 with 302 heads, poured and polished. 600 Edelbrock, high-rise wheel manifold, dual plane, headers, comp cam.
And how long have you had it?
2 years.
And you just kind of built it on your own?
Yeah.
Just got it, started tinkering with it?
Well, I got it, pulled the bed off of it, built a new wood bed for it.
Yes, sir.
It's got a built 727 torque flight. Everything on the gear line is 84.
Man, I'm so glad to see these old trucks making a comeback. I'm gonna get out and turn this camera around so I can talk to Gary. Gary's gonna show you around. We'll do a little walk and talk, and then you guys can take a look and see what he's got. All right, Gary, raise the hood and let's see what you got. Gary, 318 motor, yep. Drive line.
And the good thing about these 68s, you can pull the motor with the hood on the car.
Exactly, exactly. What a great show. Yes. And if you'll notice this truck as we go around and take a look at it, Gary has kept most of it original. It hadn't been sanded, sandblasted, and painted. It is pretty much original, right, Gary?
There's nothing done to the body whatsoever that's metal.
You know what, we're here is to show that, let people know that this is not a hard thing to do. All they got to do is just go in, find something they like, make it a hobby, share it with people, make it a hobby. Go out and ask people, and you will find more people to help you with this kind of stuff, right?
Turn some wrenches and
have fun.
Spare time.
Yes, sir. As we walk around here, we're going to look at the truck. Gary has taken the bed off, and he has shortened it and put a wood bed, but let's show you the inside.
It's got that Grant mahogany steering wheel, custom dash with instrument panel, mega shifter, reverse lockout. Got 202 Explorer interior. Everything in it's basically been customized. Got a wood top in it.
Gary just kind of made it your own, right?
Yeah. Got an 8-gallon cylinder gas tank, stainless steel battery box, remote.
And most of this stuff is stuff that you can come by, probably get it at places like small internet sites, or
Amazon,
rallies, shows.
I've got the bed 8 inches to accommodate a shorter bed. Get the wheelbase kind of look right with the rest of the truck. All wood frame under the bed.
Did you custom build the bed yourself?
Yeah, built it in my barn.
What a cool truck. Hey, this thing's a lot of fun to drive around. And
got 20 11.5-inch tires on the back, stock wheels up front.
Look at the woodwork. Man, what some nice woodwork here. Got a little header back here, stood on the front of the bed. Gas tank, fuel tank, and battery box.
I do haul hay on it.
Yes, sir.
It's a farm truck.
Hey, we build them to use them, right?
Yeah.
Drive them.
Yeah. Got a power distribution panel behind the driver's seat that I built for all electronics.
You know what? We talk to people. It doesn't take an electrician or a mechanic to make these things go.
Right.
Solid truck too.
It is.
Hey, I'm gonna show you a really cool, fun truck. You know, folks, when people ask me, they message me and say, you know, I can't afford to buy a rod and I can't afford to build, but you can afford it. Go out and look for it and find it. And I guarantee you they're out there. All you got to do is take them, make a hobby out of it, and have a lot of fun. Gary, I appreciate you showing me your stuff.
Thank you, Robert.
All right, no problem. Hey, this is Rat Nation. We're bringing you some really cool stuff. Subscribe to us. Click on the link below. See some more of this good stuff. Also, shoot me a message if you have a question. If you have somebody that's got something cool that we want to interview or want to talk to, subscribe to us and send me a message. I'd love to talk to you. Thank you. We'll see you next time on Rat Nation.